In an era when European luxury cars were reshaping the American market, one vehicle dared to challenge their dominance. The 1978 Cadillac Seville wasn't just another luxury sedan. It was America's bold answer to a changing automotive landscape, combining European-inspired efficiency with unmistakable Cadillac prestige. This pivotal model not only transformed Cadillac's future, but redefined what American luxury car could be. The Seville's heart was its sophisticated 5.7-liter V8 engine, a power plant that perfectly balanced luxury with efficiency. Boasting a displacement of 350.1 cubic inches, this electronically fuel-injected marvel delivered 170 horsepower at 4,400 RPM and 270 foot-pounds of torque at 2,000 RPM. The engine's architecture was both robust and refined, featuring a cast-iron block head and a bore of 4.1 inches with a stroke of 3.4 inches, a compression ratio of 8:1, and a power-to-weight ratio of 29.5 watts per pound. It demonstrated Cadillac's commitment to meeting the era's demands for both performance and efficiency. The powertrain showcased Cadillac's technological prowess through its electronic fuel-injection system, managed by an innovative onboard analog computer. The engine's aluminum intake manifold reduced weight, while 5 main bearings ensured exceptional smoothness and durability. These engineering choices weren't just about numbers. They represented Cadillac's vision for the future of luxury motoring. But here's something that might surprise you. The 1978 Seville wasn't just an American luxury car. It was also a military vehicle. In Iran, where it was manufactured, under license by Pars Khodro, a specially modified version of the Seville was used as a diplomatic vehicle and armored transport, with some units featuring bulletproof glass, reinforced body panels. This was an unexpected chapter in the Seville's history, showcased in robust engineering capabilities far beyond typical luxury car duties. Working in harmony with the engine was the GM Turbo Hydromatic THM 400 transmission, a 3-speed automatic system engineered for seamless power delivery. Through its carefully calculated gear ratios, 2.48 to 1 in first, 1.48 to 1 in second, and 1 to 1 in third, this transmission transformed the Seville's substantial power into refined motion, all channeled through a classic rear-wheel drive configuration that driving enthusiasts appreciated. On the road, the Seville moved with deliberate grace, while its 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 12.6 seconds and a quarter-mile run of 19.1 seconds might seem modest by today's standards. They perfectly suited the luxury-focused character of this sophisticated sedan. The car's fuel economy reflected its balanced approach, achieving 14 miles per gallon in city driving and 20 miles per gallon on the highway, with a combined average of 16 miles per gallon. Just when you thought you knew everything about the 78 Seville's technology. Consider this. It was one of the first vehicles in the world to feature a primitive form of modern driver assistance. Hidden beneath its luxury features was a revolutionary trip computer system that could calculate real-time fuel economy, journey time, and even predict service intervals. Technology that wouldn't become common in luxury vehicles for another 2 decades. This digital innovation was so advanced for its time that the dealerships had to provide special training just to explain these features to new owners. The Seville's dimensions spoke to Cadillac's new international outlook. At 204 inches in length, 71.8 inches in width, and 54.6 inches in height, with a wheelbase of 114.3 inches, it struck an impressive yet manageable presence. Its curb weight of 4,180 pounds reflected the solid construction expected of a premium luxury sedan, while maintaining a more efficient footprint than traditional Cadillacs. This new direction in sizing was matched by equally revolutionary design choices. The Seville's body-on-frame construction, featuring crisp, angular lines, marked a decisive break from the sweeping curves of the previous Cadillacs. This wasn't just aesthetic evolution, it was a statement of intent, showing that American luxury could be both commanding and contemporary. Inside, the Seville created an environment of refined luxury. Power-adjustable 50/50 dual-comfort front seats, wrapped in premium leather available in 10 distinct color combinations, set the tone. The innovative Dover cloth with its cashmere-like texture, added another layer of sophistication. Modern conveniences abounded, from automatic climate control to power windows and door locks, from a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to cruise control, each feature contributing to an atmosphere of effortless luxury. Here's a revelation that even dedicated Cadillac enthusiasts might not know. The 1978 Seville pioneered what would become the modern car design process. It was among the first production vehicles in the world to be designed using computer-aided design, CAD software, a revolutionary approach that transformed the entire automotive industry. The precision achieved through this digital design process was so impressive that elements of the Seville's design program were later adapted by NASA for the Space Shuttle component modeling. The driving experience was enhanced by a carefully engineered suspension system. Independent front suspension with coil springs worked in concert with a live rear axle, while the electronic level control system maintained optimal ride height regardless of the load. The power-assisted steering and four-wheel disc brakes with innovative triple braking system ensured both comfort and confidence in every driving situation. The Seville's influence extended far beyond American shores. In a remarkable testament to its international appeals, it was produced in Iran by Pars Khodro from 1977 to 1987, where it was known as the Cadillac Iran. Its design process was equally forward-thinking, being one of the first vehicles to benefit from computer-assisted design, CAD, setting new standards for precision and consistency in automotive styling. For the 1978 model year, Cadillac produced 56,985 Sevilles, each commanding a base price of $14,265, a premium that reflected its position as a technological flagship. The exclusive Seville Elegant package offered additional refinements for discerning buyers, featuring distinctive styling elements that further elevated its presence. The Seville's technological sophistication extended to every aspect of its design. The digital trip computer, a rarity in the late 1970s, provided drivers with unprecedented information about their journey. The automatic load-leveling suspension, utilizing air shocks, ensured a consistently composed ride. These features, combined with the electronic fuel injection system, positioned the Seville at the forefront of automotive innovation. As part of the Cadillac's broader production of 349,684 vehicles in 1978, the Seville played a crucial role in modernizing the brand's image. It proved that an American luxury car could successfully balance efficiency with prestige, technology with comfort, and international appeal with domestic heritage. The Seville's influence extended well beyond its time, shaping the future of luxury car design and establishing new benchmarks for what an American luxury sedan could achieve. This legacy of innovation continued with the practical enhancements like the larger 5-lug bolt circle, introduced in 1977, which matched Chevrolet's full-sized cars and trucks, improving durability and serviceability. Whether cruising American highways or navigating international streets, the 1978 Cadillac Seville represented a watershed moment in automotive history, a time when American luxury reinvented itself for a new era, while maintaining the core values that made Cadillac a symbol of success and refinement. The 1978 Cadillac Seville stands today as more than just a luxury car from the past. It represents a pivotal moment when American automotive excellence adapted to changing global demands without compromising its identity. Its blend of innovation, design, and luxury not only influenced future Cadillacs, but helped shape the entire trajectory of American luxury automobiles, proving that adaptation and evolution could go hand in hand with heritage and prestige.